So hello my beautiful family of YouTube. This video is too late because I had some health issues, but don't worry, I'll come back with a wonderful remedy for the extensions of your lashes or the growth of eyebrows or lashes. So today's videos I have an exciting remedy which I have been using since years, so many years, because this was made by me. So I don't know, some of you knows about the benefits of castor oil, how it will affect your eyebrows or your hair growth, but really it works very well. So without wasting a time, I'm gonna start the remedy of today's serum. So for this we need rose water and castor oil. So this spoon we are using for to the measurement of the oil or the rose water. So need one empty beautiful small jar to make this serum. So this is my informal way to give you this remedy. I never ever focus on the video quality. I always used to focus on the effects of the remedy. So for this we need half tablespoon of castor oil and half tablespoon of rose water. So keep in your mind, you can make the amount of the serum according to your own will. If you want more, then you can make for a month, or if you have a small bottle of mascara, or if you have a big, then it depends on you. You can manage the measurements. Okay, so we need rose water, half tablespoon. Then mix it well informally. You don't need even brush. So just mix it well by your hand, and then pour into the empty mascara bottle. So this mascara was not empty, but still I'm using for my mascara serum. So I have trust on this remedy. There is a small story behind this remedy. Once I had an issue with my lashes, that were burned in the kitchen. So at that time, someone told me to use castor oil to grow your hair again. So at that time, I used this remedy, and trust me, today I was doing my work, and suddenly I thought that I have to make this video for someone who really wants to grow the eyebrows or the eyelashes. Nowadays everyone is using eyelashes extension. And last, don't forget to subscribe my channel for the more effective remedies. Bye bye.